Hello Sonia.
Hello.
And where are we today?
We are relaxing in Setthorns.
Lovely Setthorns. One of the campsites in the New Forest network that has electric, but it is amazing. And all the ferns are growing up, all the foliage is in full growth here, and you can just see how beautiful this place is. All the little pitches which are nestled inside the woods. You're not seeing double, but over here is Sonia's dad. And Sonia's dad has gone and bought a new caravan. And we'll go and speak to him a bit later, but he has gone and bought a little Dinky. So we're at Dinky's in Convoy, but his is not going to be called Dinky. I don't know what he's going to call it yet. But yeah, so new caravan for Roy. And our caravan is sitting lovely on the pitch here. Got a huge pitch actually, so really nice. Okay, so what were we doing only 2 days ago?
We were in Weymouth on the boat, and I still feel like I'm on the boat.
Yeah, so you would have seen our adventure in Weymouth. We were down there for 3 nights with Tomo and all the other guys on the mini boat meet. It was absolutely awesome, but we've literally had 1 day's rest, and then we thought, right, we're going to come out into the New Forest and do another reset. You would have seen our other video where we did a reset before, but it's just nice to just do nothing. We're literally going to just cook and chill in the forest and really enjoy ourselves. So you haven't been feeling too well after the...
Well, I was fine, and then I was at home, and then I started feeling dizzy and thought, I think it's like just swaying, but it hasn't gone away.
Yeah, so we're thinking maybe it is this sort of, because after you've been on a boat for a while, you can, your vision in your head still thinks you're at sea, even when you're at land. And that can last a couple of days sometimes. So we think it might be that, but
But if I'm stumbling, I haven't had a wine.
No.
I haven't had a wine for days, so.
But we're quite exhausted as well. Like I literally went to bed yesterday almost all day. Like I was just knackered from the boating adventure. So this is another chill day for us, isn't it?
Chill day, yeah.
So yeah, well, we can speak to Roy a bit later about his new caravan. 2 of our children coming up later on for a barbie. So we'll get the barbie set up and hopefully have a nice evening. So in the meantime,
we'll enjoy the sun.
We're going to enjoy the sun
and do nothing.
And we'll see you a bit later.
Swaying. Oh dear, Christopher. You let him drive the car. How's it going then, Chris?
It is going well. The charcoals are nearly there, and I'm in my happy place. Glass of wine in the forest, chilling out. Here we go, the time has come to tip this in. So we'll try and do it quickly. Ready, 1, 2, 3. There we go, spread them out a bit.
That's nice and warm.
There we go, that is very nice and warm. Now time to cook.
I got you a present, Chris.
What's that then?
got you a new set.
Oh, very nice.
Especially
Look at
for
that.
Dinky.
Especially for Dinky, yeah, because we keep leaving our home set. We keep bringing it between the caravan and here, and
we keep forgetting.
So we needed one for Dinky.
So
Thank you very much.
After a total relaxing evening with our family, the next day should have been great. We even had lovely weather. But we soon found out this was going to be a day that changed all of our plans for weeks to come. Sonia woke up feeling extremely dizzy. Her head was spinning so badly I had to help her stand and get out of the caravan. She looked very unwell, something clearly wasn't right. I immediately decided to take her home so she could rest. I'd come back later to pack up the caravan, but with so much on my mind I struggled to focus. I finished this video short, trying to mask my worry as best I could, because something wasn't right.
Look up above, the sunlight seems like it is gonna break in. Something ain't right. Yeah, something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right.
Morning, or should I say afternoon. We've had such a chilled weekend. We had a really nice long lie-in almost to midday, which is a bit cheeky, but it's what we needed. If you saw our last video, which was going down to Weymouth, that was in 2 parts, you would have seen that we've just went through it all there, and it was really exhausting. So literally we finished Weymouth, we had 1 day back at home, and then we were straight out here. So unwinding and trying to recuperate, which was just what we needed. But yeah, so Roy has gone out, it looks like. That's Sonia's dad. But you can see his little D42. I think he is loving it. It took him a while to get used to it from the bigger Caravan that he had, but I think he's really enjoying it now, and he said he had a lovely, comfortable night, which is really good. So we got D42s in Convoy now, which is excellent. Right, Roy has just returned, so he's all parked up over there, so we're going to go and ask him how he is getting on with his D42. Let's go and find out. So the only difference that we can see is that it's got Discovery on the front of the 2025 models, but the 2023 model that we have has Bailey on the front. And the only other difference is that the flooring in this one is a darker colour of ours. So that seems to be the only changes they've got. All right, Roy.
Right, Chris.
How you doing?
Fine.
Good, good. So how are you enjoying your D42?
Better than I expected it to be.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was a bit worried coming from a big Caravan
Yeah.
to a 2-berth, but last night I slept well, the bed was comfy.
Yeah.
I really fell in love with it yesterday.
Excellent.
And yeah.
So there's nothing that you miss from your old Caravan?
No, it's surprising. I thought I would,
Yeah.
but I found it easy and more comfortable.
It's
towing it, moving it around, fixing it up.
It's the future, isn't it? I think
Yeah.
really these little Caravans, they're really really good.
Yeah.
What we found was with the double bed, you know, it's like a king size bed.
Yeah.
You can't. It's really comfy, and it hasn't got the bolsters on it,
No.
so you get a more comfortable night. You don't have to have a like a mattress on top or anything.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm glad you're enjoying it. But now we're D42 in Convoy now.
Yeah.
So that's great.
Yeah, I find it really good.
Yeah.
I'm quite happy now. I was a bit worried that I spent all that money
Yeah.
and I wouldn't enjoy it, but just one night in the Caravan and today, I've actually fell in love with it.
Brilliant.
Because Caravans are great, but when you haven't got children,
Yeah.
do you need a big Caravan?
No.
When
Yeah.
when one of these gives you everything you need.
And you know, as we were finding, it was becoming more and more difficult to like manoeuvre it about. Okay, we have motor movers and everything, but just the size of the thing was, you know, just made it very awkward. You know, we have that with the boat anyway, but yeah, the Caravan is now awesome. We love our little dinky Caravan. It's time to go home, but this Setthorns, we never really come to Setthorns when it's in full summer, when everything's green and lush. We tend to sort of use it as a winter New Forest campsite because it's the only one that's open all year round. But just looking at this place, when all the foliage and all the greenery's out, it is stunning. There is so many beautiful little spots. Like just look around me. It's just little nooks and crannies where you can like stick a Caravan. It is brilliant, and we haven't really camped down this end of these are the select pitches, so they are the more expensive ones. And to be honest, I thought it was quite expensive. We're in school holidays, and it was £85 for the 2 nights. Now normally, like Long Beach the other week, that was about £40, but I think we were just out of the school holidays at that point. But it's been a lovely little break, just what we needed, and we're just going to chill out and look at what we do on our next adventure, which, look at that pitch, awesome. There's so many just walking around this bit. It's just, they are really good. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing next, but we're going to chill out. So I hope you enjoyed this. It's little bit different, wasn't much to it, because we were just using it as a reset. But hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.